Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your HyperX headset uses a 3.5mm TRRS plug or a USB audio dongle. Most HyperX headsets for Xbox require the controller connection. Once done, update your Xbox controller firmware so the audio pass-through works reliably. Next, plug the headset firmly into the controller's headphone jack. Make sure the connection clicks and the controller is awake. Do this now so the console recognizes the headset as an audio device, and you can proceed to configure sound settings. Once the headset is physically connected, open Profile and System, then Settings, and navigate to Volume and Audio Output. You want headset audio set to stereo uncompressed for the cleanest analog pass-through. Alternatively, choose spatial audio only if supported and desired. Next, set headset chat mixer to prioritize game or chat depending on preference, and enable mic monitoring a bit so you can hear yourself. Make sure the console recognizes the mic input and test in a party chat to confirm both listen and talk functions. To finish, join a party or start a game and speak to confirm your mic transmits. Ask someone to verify audio quality. If you hear no input, check the inline mute on your HyperX headset and ensure the controller's volume and mute buttons aren't engaged. If problems persist, update the controller firmware again, power cycle the console, and try another controller or cable to isolate hardware faults. Remember this tip. Most connection issues are controller firmware or a bad TRRS cable. Replace or retest accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.